ask me what are the career prospects you are thinking of and how you can go ahead with that. I'll be happily answering your questions, because I am more concerned about how you are thinking about your future prospect or career prospect. How do you shape up your career prospect? That is a very good question or important question for each and everybody. I sincerely ask all of you to think from today onwards that what career will you pursue? What career will you accept for yourself? Think, think and think. Clear? Any other questions before I go to the some subject matter? Vaibhav, you are looking here and there. Anything you want to ask?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
No, nothing is coming to your mind. Nothing. सब कोई अपना ये बंद करके बैठे हो, सब कोई. ठीक है. अच्छा, tell me who manages your finances? Who manages the finances of your house? Any idea?
Father.
Father. Very good. Very good. So the entire house finance is managed by father or mother, by your parents, basically by your parents. Fine. So if you consider your house is an individual unit, this is also an individual unit. You see, you are staying in a house. Just besides you, your neighbor is staying there. So they have a different house altogether. They have a separate unit altogether. Yes or no? So as an individual house, as an individual unit, the entire finance of that unit is managed by your parents. So if you visit to the next neighbor also, their house finance is also managed by them, managed by their parents. Yes or no? Yes, am I making sense to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that means each and every unit, suppose if I say forget about house, you think about yourself. Think about yourself. How much pocket money do you get from your parents? Afrin Sultana.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video, please. Afrin, don't switch off your video. Huh? I want to see all of you having the video mode on. So how much do you get from your parents as a pocket money?
Sir, 1,000, 1,500. Sir, rest he puts in my bank account.
Bank account. Okay, fine, 1,500. So 1,500, suppose if you say you are an individual unit and this individual unit is getting a fund from somewhere else, that source is the parents. Yes or no? तो पैसा आ गया, कहीं से पैसा अभी आ गया. That individual units has started spending that money. He will spend that money for some purposes. Yes or no? So money will go out. So now money comes being processed in that unit and then goes out. Yes or no?
Yes,
That means now for a household we are managing our finances. For an individual also we are managing our finances. Think of our own country. Country is also considered as an unit. Yes or no? Country is also considered as an unit. Then from where the country gets fund from finances, the country has to manage itself. The way we are managing our own home, the way our parents are managing our home, in the same way the country's managers are also managing the entire country. कहां से पैसा आएगा? जैसे कि आपका पापा सोचते हैं कि पैसा कहां से आएगा? पैसा कहां से आ रहा है? Suppose he is doing a job, he is getting money. Suppose he is doing a business, he is getting money. So these are the sources from where money will come. And where the money will be spent, household expenses, the money will be spent. Suppose some study purpose, money will be spent. Suppose you are like constructing a house, money will be spent. So these are the way money will be spent. So basically, if I talk of country, we say this finance is known as what? क्या लिखा मैंने?
Public finance.
Public finance. Very good. Public finance. Suppose how you are managing your money. You yourself is you managing your money. What kind of finance should I say it?
Private finance.
Private finance. Okay. Not exactly private
Personal
finance.
finance.
Anil. What is your name? Anil or what? Roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
Aniket. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if an individual is managing his money, what it will be called as? It is not private finance. What is that?
Sir, personal finance.
Very good. Individual. Personal financing. Okay. Now country chala gaya, individual chala gaya. We will be more focusing where? We will be more focusing on where we will be focusing. Tell something, you tell, yeah. गलत हो कोई problem नहीं. I'll be happily accepting it.
Finance.
Okay, we are concerned with the finance only, no problem. Chirag, and who is saying 57, roll number 57, you said something? What's your name?
Mansita.
Vansita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vansita, you said something about what? Finance. We are focusing on finances. When it comes to a country, we say that it is public finance. When it comes to an individual, we said that it is personal finance. And
So
another
corporate
entity is
finance?
coming in between. Who are they? In which we are more interested in right now?
So,
Companies,
the private sectors.
companies,
So corporate finance.
Companies, whether it is in private sector or public sector, hardly matters. Companies.
So corporate finance.
Corporate finance. When it comes to company, we will be dealing with corporate finance. Yes or no? So if it is company it is known as corporate finance. So that means what? For a nation, it is public finance because public at a large is involved. For an individual, it is personal finance because as an individual, I am concerned, or you are also as an individual is concerned. But when it comes to a company, we say that corporate finance. We will be dealing with corporate finance, not with public finance or personal finance. We will be dealing with what? What we will be dealing with?
Corporate finance.
Corporate finance. So basically what happens in this corporate finance, what are the nuances of this corporate finance, we'll be studying that only. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every 10 session, after every 10 session, there will be a quiz. Or after 8 session, there will be a quiz. So all total 6 quizzes will be taken by me. All the quizzes will be online quizzes. Okay, 10 questions will be given for quizzes, 10 marks, 7 to 8 minutes will be the timing for you. Okay, suppose if you are missing for some other reason 1 or 2 quizzes, that will be well compensated by that because the number of quizzes I am taking, that is 6. And try not to miss any quizzes. If you are missing a quizzes, and giving some kind of excuses if you are missing a class. The loss is yours, the loss is not ours. So please be bear in that in your mind. So that is better. Okay. So we'll go ahead with the attendance. Tomorrow we have a class at what time?
12.
12 to 1. There will be 12 to 1 class. Remember, some of the materials I'll be sending you. So scanned materials I'll be sending you whenever it is required. Once you get the scanned materials, you please go through that and you ask questions from there. Or I will also be teaching those kind of materials here. So beforehand, I'll also be sending you some materials. So this was the first class. Only I had wanted to just have some discussions with you, just introduce the entire course, likewise what the course is all about. So different kind of functions of financial management will be coming to know in the next class. What are they and how we'll be going ahead with the entire course. That also I'll be telling you next time. Okay. So only 60 people have joined this class. Anindita,
Present, sir.
Abhishek,
Present, sir.
Abhishek Swai,
Present, sir.
Abhishek Chandra,
Present, sir.
Avranil,
Present, sir.
others.
Present, sir.
कहाँ हो others तुम? Others, where are you? Switch on your video. Switch on your video.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
कहाँ हो तुम?
Sir.
कहाँ हो तुम? हाथ
हाँ,
हाथ
sir.
ऊपर उठाओ, हाथ ऊपर उठाओ, हाथ ऊपर उठाओ.
Sir, video on 8 minutes right now.
ऑन करो ना.
On है sir.
हाँ. अफरीन,
Present, sir.
अफसाना,
Present, sir.
आकर्षण,
Present, sir.
आकाश, आकाश, आकाश.
Present, sir.
Remember, I'll call you your name twice. Suppose for the first time you are not responding, I'll definitely call your name twice. Okay. If possible, I'll call your name thrice also. So beyond that, I'll mark you absent. So if you want to see that your attendance is on track, it is not falling short of the desired numbers. So please be attentive while taking the attendance. Fine.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Akshay Kriti,
Yes, sir.
Aksita,
Present, sir.
Alisa,
Present, sir.
Vaibhav,
Present, sir.
Amandeep,
Present, sir.
Amlan,
Present, sir.
Anand,
Present, sir.
Anandu, sorry, Andanu, Andanu Santoshi Patra, absent. Aniket,
Present, sir.
Animes,
Present, sir.
Ankit,
Present, sir.
Ankita Kumari,
Present, sir.
Ansika,
Present, sir.
Apurva,
Present, sir.
Apurva Tomar, अपूर्वा तोमर, अपूर्वा तोमर, अपूर्वा